Have you ever heard of a retropharyngeal abscess?
Retropharyngeal abscess? No, what is that?
It's like a collection of pus in the back of your throat caused by an
Yikes.
infection.
That sounds unpleasant. Who usually gets those?
Mostly young kids between 2 and 4 years old, but adults
Really?
can get them too.
Why are kids more affected?
Well, their lymph nodes in the throat are larger at that age, so they're more prone to infections that can lead to an abscess.
Huh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it's kinda ironic. The lymph nodes are supposed to fight infection, but sometimes
Right.
they get overwhelmed.
So what causes this abscess to form?
In kids, it's usually from an upper respiratory infection that spreads to those lymph nodes, and in adults, it can be from an injury to the back of the throat.
Like swallowing something sharp?
Exactly, or complications from medical procedures like dental work.
What are the symptoms to watch out for?
Severe sore throat, difficulty swallowing, fever, stiff neck, and even trouble
Yeah.
breathing.
That sounds serious.
It is. If left untreated, it can block the airway or the infection can spread to other areas.
So it's potentially life-threatening?
Yes, absolutely. It's considered a medical emergency.
How do doctors diagnose it?
They perform physical exams and use imaging like CT scans to see the
Okay.
abscess. Blood tests help identify the infection.
And treatment involves antibiotics, right?
Yes, intravenous antibiotics are started immediately. Sometimes they need to drain the abscess surgically.
Surgery sounds risky, especially in the throat area.
There's risk, but the benefits outweigh it. Leaving the abscess untreated is much more dangerous.
But aren't antibiotics overused these days?
Well, in critical infections like this, antibiotics are essential. It's about using them appropriately, not avoiding them altogether.
I suppose that makes sense. So prevention is key?
Exactly. Early treatment of infections and not ignoring severe symptoms are crucial.
It's like not ignoring the check engine light in your car.
Haha, precisely. You wouldn't risk your car's engine, so why risk your
Right.
health?
Good point. Thanks for explaining this.
Anytime. Glad to share some knowledge.